Hello today. I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you today. Let me introduce you this FROGTAPE. FROGTAPE is really cool. This is the best tape I ever used before because FROGTAPE, in this case it's a multi-surface, is the best for smooth or slightly rough surfaces, dried paint and untreated wood. Indoors, it can be removed up to 21 days and outside up to 7 days after it was applied, and it leaves no residue. It is an easy to use painter's tape which promises extra sharp edges for our DIY projects. The patented PaintBlock technology means that only one step is necessary and it can be applied to a number of different surfaces. Further touching up is no longer necessary. And here, this FROGTAPE is on the market in different shapes, in different dimensions, and this is premium grade painter's tape. We have here medium adhesive for the most common paint applications. It's treated with the PaintBlock technology that seals the tape edges for very shaped paint lines. It's recommended for interior and exterior use on carpet, cured painted walls, glass, metal, stone, and unfinished wood. It removes cleanly from the most surfaces for up to 21 days. We have here a absolutely premium adhesive to help eliminate the need for touch-ups. And it's easy, okay? It's really easy. We get crisp, clean lines on our next painting project with the FROGTAPE multi-surface painter's tape. It works really cool. It's made with the PaintBlock technology and a super absorbent polymer that reacts with the water in the latex paint and instantly gels to form a micro barrier that seals the edges of the tape to prevent the paint bleed. The result is a crisp professional paint line. Designed to work on a variety of surfaces, this premium grade masking tape delivers a performance we can be proud of. All the FROGTAPE brand painter's tapes are treated with PaintBlock technology. This is a super absorbent polymer that makes a really cool job. It's made with exclusive PaintBlock think and a super duper absorbing polymer. It reacts with the water in the latex paint and instantly gels to form a micro barrier. And this works really. We have a professional paint line after removing, and we go with the wider width, for example, 1.88 inches to provide more protection for our surfaces. Or if we needed a smaller one, we use the smaller one. This is a premium tape canister. This FROGTAPE canister helps to keep the tape clean and protected while in storage, though the second paint project looks just as professional as the first. The first thing is we clean the surface and let it dry. Then we tape it in 1 to 2 foot sections, and then we burnish the tape's edges. And so after this we have to paint, and after this we remove the tape when the paint is wet. For the best result, we remove the tape while the paint is still wet. This is making sure to slowly pull at a 45-degree angle. After this, really crisp, clear edges and lines. That is only for me so far possible with the FROGTAPE multi-surface painter's tape with PaintBlock technology. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.